Get a perfect memory like Ayanokoji Kiyotaka from the anime classroom of the elite. Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed guests, and eager learners, today I am delighted to share with you the secrets of unlocking a perfect memory, inspired by the remarkable Ayanokoji Kiyotaka. We'll embark on a journey through the realms of sleep, nutrition, memory techniques, and the profound impact of emotions on our ability to remember. First, the foundation: get adequate sleep. To kick off our exploration, let's delve into the importance of sleep. Ayanokoji Kiyotaka, known for his exceptional cognitive abilities, undoubtedly understands the critical role sleep plays in memory formation and consolidation. Memory consolidation: during the restorative deep sleep stages, our brain diligently processes and consolidates memories from the day. This transfer from short-term to long-term memory is vital for retaining information effectively. Synaptic plasticity: sleep supports synaptic plasticity, allowing connections between neurons to strengthen or weaken. This process is the bedrock of learning and memory. Emotional regulation: adequate sleep influences the release of hormones that play crucial roles in memory consolidation and emotional regulation. It's the cornerstone for stability and optimal cognitive function. So, the first step towards a perfect memory, like Ayanokoji Kiyotaka, is simple: aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. C count. Fueling your mind, brain-boosting foods. Now that we've established the importance of a good night's sleep, let's turn our attention to the foods that nourish our minds. As Ayanokoji surely understands, a well-balanced diet contributes significantly to cognitive function. Avocado, blueberries, and broccoli: these are not just delicious additions to your plate but powerful brain-boosting foods. Avocado promotes healthy blood flow, while blueberries act as guardian angels against oxidative stress. Broccoli, a humble green vegetable, is packed with fiber and brain-boosting vitamin K. Eggs and salmon: eggs, rich in choline and omega-3s, and salmon, a deep-water fish with essential DHA, are allies for memory enhancement. Matcha and whole grains: consider incorporating matcha, a natural nootropic, into your routine for cognitive functions. Whole grains, such as oats and quinoa, with their B vitamins, work to reduce brain inflammation. Remember, you are what you eat. Feed your brain the nutrients it craves, and you'll witness the astounding results. Third, memory techniques: the mind palace. Now, let's unlock the treasure trove of memory techniques, including the revered mind palace, a technique often employed by the legendary detective Sherlock Holmes. Choose a familiar place, select a location you know well, like your home or a childhood house, to be your mind palace. Mentally walk through the space, take a mental stroll through this familiar location, noting every detail vividly. Associate information with locations: associate the information you wish to remember with specific locations within your mind palace. Make it memorable. Create vivid mental images: make your associations memorable by crafting vivid mental images. Let your imagination run wild. Walk through the palace to recall information. When the time comes to recall, mentally navigate through your mind palace, triggering the associated memories. Channel your inner detective, embrace the mind palace technique, and witness the magic unfold. Fourth, the power of repetition. In our pursuit of a perfect memory, repetition emerges as a potent ally. Repetition is the key to encoding, consolidation, and retrieval of information. Spaced repetition: this technique involves reviewing information at increasing intervals over time. It leverages the spacing effect, optimizing memory retention. Active engagement: actively engage with the material, whether through visualization, verbalization, or writing. Active learning deepens understanding and consolidates memories effectively. Long-term retention: repetition contributes to long-term retention, making it more likely for information to stay with you over an extended period. Embrace repetition as a fundamental tool in your arsenal for memory enhancement. Fifth, imagination and high emotion. Finally, let's unravel the profound impact of imagination and high emotion on memory, as emphasized by the renowned memory expert Jim Quick. Emotional engagement: emotion is a catalyst for memory. When information is associated with strong emotions, it becomes indelibly etched in our minds. Neurotransmitter release: emotional experiences trigger the release of neurotransmitters, strengthening the neural connections associated with information. Enhanced attention and focus: emotionally charged content captures our attention, aiding in better encoding and recall. Reducing cognitive load: imagination simplifies complex information, reducing cognitive load and enhancing memory retention. As Gym Quick advocates, infuse your learning with imagination and high emotion. Make the material memorable, enjoyable, and emotionally charged. In conclusion, dear friends, achieving a perfect memory akin to Ayanokoji Kiyotaka requires a holistic approach. Prioritize sleep, nourish your brain with the right foods, employ memory techniques like the Mind Palace, embrace the power of repetition, and infuse your learning with imagination and emotion. Remember, your brain is a remarkable organ. Nurture it, challenge it, and witness the extraordinary feats it can achieve. May your journey to a perfect memory be as awe-inspiring as the cognitive prowess of Ayanokoji Kiyotaka himself. Thank you. If the pursuit of a perfect memory resonates with you, hit that thumbs up and consider subscribing for a continuous stream of insightful content. Your questions and thoughts are always welcome in the comments below. Remember, the journey to memory mastery is a fascinating adventure, and you're equipped with the tools to make it extraordinary. Until our next exploration, stay curious, stay committed, and embrace the wonders of your mind. Happy learning!